Welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Apex Legends black screen issue. If you want to fix it, click here and then go to Windows Update Settings, and after that check for updates, install, if you find here an update, install it, and then go to enable Xbox Game Bar, turn off this option, then go to GeForce Experience. After that, drivers, check for updates, make sure you have the latest updates that you can find in this application, and then close it and restart your computer. After that, try again and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.